Hi, my name is Toshin Krishnan. This video is about the ostrich. Ostriches are large, flightless birds native to Africa. They're the tallest and heaviest birds on the planet. Males grow 9 feet tall and weigh 150 kilograms. With the ability to run at 70 kilometers per hour, they're the fastest birds on land. They have long, powerful legs that one strong kick can kill a lion. Male ostriches are black with white plumes in the wings and tail. Females are mostly brown. They lay the largest eggs in the world. One ostrich egg weighs 1.5 kilograms, which is equal to 2 dozen chicken eggs. To protect eggs from predators, females incubate during day and males incubate during night, as the drab female blends in with the sun and the black male is undetectable in the night. Ostriches have the largest eye of any land creature. Their eyeball is bigger than their brain. During evolution, some birds lost kill a part of breastbone to which flight muscles attach. Now they're known as ratitis or flightless birds, which includes rhea, emu, kiwi, cassowary, and ostrich. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.